Manager is our software which collects raw data in real time for more than 90% of business telephone systems and transforms this data into actionable reports and live statistics. In order to access Everything Voice's Call Manager in your web browser, type in the address callmanager.everythingvoice.co.uk. Then, when prompted, put in your username and password. Our demo account username is everything and demo account password is voice with a capital V, should you want to look at this later. Although you can get your own username and password from your system administrator. The front page of Call Manager is straightforward with a summary of call volumes by call type, call volumes by half hour, and call volumes by destination dialed. This is simply meant to give you a very quick view of what is going on. Beneath this, the quick call search, which is typically used by an administrator to find a specific call by using the date, call type, number dialed, or calling number filters, and then to the right, a list of the most recent calls. By the way, if you ever need to get back to this page whilst you're elsewhere in the system, simply click the logo in the top left-hand corner of the screen. One of the most used features of the service is Reports, which is accessed by selecting Reports from the menu at the top. Once into Reports, there are 19 predefined reports already there for you to use. Each report can be tailored specifically to your requirements by using one or more of the filters and criteria on the right-hand side. As an example, let's take a look at daily activity. Firstly, let's select the period we would like the report to cover, which is this month. Next, we choose which users on the system we would like to report on by selecting the green plus symbol alongside Entity. Now, at this stage, I could select the whole department by clicking on the green tick, or I could select a person within that department. Select Barry by pressing the green tick next to Barry's name. In this case, I want the Accounts department, so the yellow folder icon takes me back one step to be able to select Accounts. At this point, I can start to add filters by pressing the green plus icon next to Filters. For example, call type equals all outbound calls, and then select Add. Finally, we can now select exactly how we would like to see the report, either via a web page, PDF document, as an XML file, or in Excel. In this case, let's select Web and Run Now to see what the report looks like. It's now possible to drill down further if you like. Okay, let's close that and look at other options for viewing the reports. Select PDF as the format, and instead of clicking Run Now, let's click Schedule, which now gives you the option to schedule this report for another time. Next, let's take a look at the live statistics. Although at this stage, it's worth noting that only wallboards which have been created for you will appear here. For example, let's click on Everything Voice All Departments and open Display Board to view my wallboard in real time. The wallboards themselves are incredibly customizable. If you would like a specific wallboard creating for you, then please contact Everything Voice and we would be happy to discuss your requirement in more detail. Finally, as previously mentioned, click on the logo in the top left corner to return to the main home page. For any further help or assistance, please look at our other videos or contact Everything Voice on 0330 055 3570.